Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make soft rolls without yeast. Begin by combining flour, baking powder, salt, and cold butter, then cut the butter in until pea-sized. Add milk and stir just until a shaggy dough forms, then lightly knead on a floured surface. Pat into a disc, chill briefly, then cut rounds and bake until golden. Serve warm with butter for best results and enjoy simple, speedy rolls. In this video, I will explain how to mix and shape no-yeast rolls. Start by measuring flour and baking powder precisely, then cut in cold butter until crumbly. Add cold milk and fold gently until the dough just comes together. Avoid excess kneading to keep rolls tender. Pat the dough to even thickness, chill for flavor and structure, then cut rounds. This method yields fluffy, flaky rolls without waiting for yeast to rise. In this video, I will help you bake perfect no-yeast rolls every time. After shaping, brush tops with milk or beaten egg for a golden finish, or sprinkle cheese and herbs before baking for extra flavor. Bake on a middle rack until the tops are deep golden and an instant-read thermometer reads about 190 degrees F in the center. Let cool briefly on a rack to set crumb, then serve warm with butter or jam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.